Hey, I'm back here. Hi. Look over here. Hi. So, we're at Coyote Lake. Why is my... Okay. We're at Coyote Lake, which is a dry desert, or dry lake playa. And, it's a bit east of Alvord, and if I do this, I don't really have to turn, but I'm going to so you get the best view. Those are the Steens right there, those snow-covered mountains, which are right at the foot of the playa of the Alvord. We're gonna try to drive to Alvord from here today, but right now I'm just gonna take you for a ride out on the playa so you can see what it's like. You see all this black material is worn down. Lava rock. See? It's all because it was a lake bed. It's all worn down from being in the water rushing up against it. And as you can see, I mean, there's plenty of room to go as fast as you want out here, and you can. I'm actually in sport mode. That was about 50 miles an hour. Not many tire tracks out here, but there are a couple that don't appear to be ours. I'm not entirely certain. There was a lot of playing around before. See, it just kind of turns right into desert. that? There's a red thing over here. Is it a balloon? Always Mylar balloons. Happy. I think it says happy birthday, but it's very poorly written. You wonder where Mylar balloons come down? Out here. This is where Mylar balloons come down. This is not by a long shot the first one I've found. All right, well, I've cleaned the desert. Let's see what's over here. So let's get, whoa, bushes. Gotta pay attention where I'm going here. Oh, there's a rabbit. That is a hare. See how he has long ears? That was a hare, not a rabbit. Beak said he saw one, so I figured we might be able to chase one out. We did. Did you see him? If not, you can rewind. He was very visible. He's off that way now. If they have long ears, they're hares, and they usually have the weirdest looking expression. Bunnies are cute, hares are gross. Oops. Well, that's interesting. Can you go back here? No, that seems deeper. Somebody else is back here, I think. Oh, maybe not. The nice thing about everything being flat is it's relatively easy to see where home camp is. What are these tracks? Those are horse? But I want to say those are horse. In fact, I think I know how to tell. I'm pretty sure that's horse poop over there. Yeah. Definitely horse. Relatively fresh. They may have come through in the night. Can't find them now, which is disappointing. I like seeing horses. Whoa, that's a big hole. A long time ago, somebody made a fire ring. Oh. Has the glass. I think the glass is maybe melted. Makes it look pretty cool. Well, it was a Hefeweiser, whatever it was. Read that on the glass. Some of them melted, so they don't have sharp edges anymore. A lot of horse track there. Yeah, those look like they could be horse. These ones too? Take something with some heft to put that big of a hole. Oh, big holes for things. This just goes on and on and on. It's a big one. Now people like going the Alvord because it's so big, but this is big enough. Big hole, but there's no prints around it, making me think that it hasn't been occupied for a while. All right, let's head back to camp. Is that a jump? I don't know. Didn't quite feel like a jump. Was not a jump, that was a break my fucking arm. Ow. Now we have swearing on this channel. Oh, that's enough of that. No, the front end didn't go up, but I pulled and I just jerked the fuck out of my arm. Did not feel good. And now I've got a lot of swearing on this channel.